We will govern Nigeria honestly in accordance with the Constitution. We will strive to secure the country and efficiently manage the economy. We will strive to attack poverty through broadly shared economic growth and attacking corruption through impartial application of the law. We will turn Nigeria to a position of international respect through patriotic foreign policy. Preserving the nation's future is a sacred obligation to all of us in this great party. Shall we at home continue to live in a condition where the power-holding company and its successors seem only to have the power to hold us in darkness? Shall we continue in a situation where 250 of our daughters have been abducted and the government has been unable to rescue them or provide credible information about what steps they are taking?
Sweet.
Shall we live in a nation where several people were trampled to death in search of jobs in a stadium, and yet no one has taken responsibility for the tragedy?
Tasty.
You are first and foremost a Nigerian in my eyes. I shall treat you equally as my people, my national family, my brothers, and my sisters.
Divine.
We will be a compassionate government. For out of compassion arises the truest form of wealth and progress a society can attain. Just as APC stands as a new party for a new Nigeria, our government will institute new policies to realize the new Nigeria. On corruption, the government will enhance EFCC's power to investigate independently.
Continue.
Pregnant and poor women and children shall be entitled to basic health care. When all is said and done, let it be written that Muhammad Buhari gave this all for this nation, in concern for its present condition, and a resolve to make things better for Nigeria.
What?
Oh my God.